Objectives of today's session. Mathematics is not about X, it is finding Y. Objective of today's session. We will develop different shortcut techniques. This is the first thing which I am going to solve. Different shortcut techniques to solve toughest problems. Each and every viewer need to understand what are the objectives at the end of the session. What is that I am trying to give it to viewer. Different shortcut techniques to solve toughest problems. In less than 45 seconds we will try to meet this objective. With practice you can make it to 30 seconds. I will also teach you different angles to look at a problem, so that depending upon your practice you can take any method which you think is good for you. Next one, the focus point. The focus point is very simple. We are not here for entertainment. Maximizing my students' score. Maximizing the score in minimum time. This is the focus point. Every problem I am going to discuss, it will cater to any one of the objectives. Maximize the score in minimum time. Next point. Fourth key point. We will be solving 80 to 85% of the original competitive examination questions. Original competitive examination question. Whenever I am solving an original competitive examination question, I will also create a replica of the question. At the end of the session, I am sure that each one of you will have an extreme confidence to solve the original question just by looking at it. Is right? And every question I will explain why behind the answer, so that you will understand why behind the answer. Instead of just solving and getting the right answer, we will also tell you why this answer is right. And every question is seeking the concept, not the formula. Any formula lovers, you can quit ANC channel. This channel is not for you. Seeking the concept but not the formula. Any student who writes a formula, probably you will hate this class. And last but not least, in-depth understanding of a concept. In-depth understanding of a concept. Many students in our private WhatsApp group has asked which topics I will discuss. I will be discussing these topics. I will just give a glimpse. Number system, arithmetic, algebra, number system, arithmetic, algebra. I will also focus on geometry. This will be the outcome of today's session. We will discuss different shortcut techniques to solve the toughest problems. I will also tell you when I am solving a problem, whether it is a CAT question, whether it is an SSA question, whether it is a placement question, or whether it is any bank related questions. I will look at a problem and I will tell you the traditional method, then I will try to solve it through my way of looking at a problem, which is a very logical and a conceptual way. Idea is to solve 80 to 85% of the original competitive examination question. Right? I will ensure that you will be extremely confident after the question. As you know that we use thematic based learning. The outcome of thematic based learning is why behind the answer. It answers W and H related question. Why, what, when, where and how. W and H related question. Every question we will understand the concept but not formula. In-depth understanding of every problem. When I am discussing a problem, ensure that you just listen carefully, sir. If any non-serious, non-sincere students are there, my answer to you is just blocking you, sir. I want the class to be extremely running under a very, very serious environment. Shall we all start the class? We will start from the easy, then medium, then advanced level. Easy, medium and advanced level questions. Shall we start the class? Right. Write down the first question. I hope there will not be any power disruptions or anything which are beyond my control. Right, sir. Problems. Please write down. Problems. We'll start with very easy question. Question number 1. Question number 1. Please write down the question number 1. 4x cube minus x. 4x cube minus x divided by 2x plus 1 into 6x minus 3 into 6x minus 3 equivalent to how much? If x equivalent to 4 nines. If x equivalent to 4 nines, options 4 ones, next is 4 twos, next is 4 threes, and next is 4 6. 4x cube minus x by 2x plus 1 into 6x minus 3. This is taken from a placement paper. If x equivalent to 4 nines. Method 1. Method 1. A student absolutely who hates algebra, he will substitute x equivalent to 4 nines. He will substitute x equivalent to 4 nines. Method 2. Students who know little bit of algebra, what he will do is, he will take x common, x into 4x square minus 1 by 2x plus 1 into 3 into 2x minus 1. This cancels out. He will take x by 3. X by 3. So answer is 4 threes. Answer is 4 threes. This is one is the substitution method. Another is algebraic method. Method 3. Method 3. I will come back to this again and again. Please underline this. If the question contains variables, if the question contains variables, answer contains numerical values. This is the approach which you need to follow to solve multiple problems. If the question contains variables, answer contains numerical values. Simplify the problem. Simplify the problem. Simplify the problem. What do you mean by simplify the problem? Simplify the problem means take any random value for x. Take any random value for x. Take any random value for x, right? Other than 0 in case if entire answer is coming out to be 0 or if x is in denominator. Simplify the problem. What I am going to do is, I will put x equivalent to 1. Some random value 4 minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 3. 6 minus 3 3. 3 cancel, it is 1/3. For 1 I got 1/3. For 1 the answer is 1/3. For 4 nines answer is 1/3 of 4 nines. Answer is 333. 4 threes. Sorry. Answer is 4 threes. I hope it is clear. It is not the problem which is important. Problem you might know a generic method, but my idea is to introduce you to a concept. The concept is wherever the question contains variables, and answer contains a numerical approach, we will simplify the problem. What do you mean by simplifying the problem? We will take the lower values of x. What do you mean by taking lower values of x? We will preferably take 0, 1 or minus 1 depending upon the question. If x is in denominator, we will try not to take x value 0 as it results in indeterminate form. Question contains variables, answer contains numerical values. Question contains variables, answer contains numerical values. I hope the approach is clear. Second question. This is an original SSC question. a plus 1 by a whole square, a plus 1 by a whole square minus 2 into a minus 1 by a equivalent to 12. Find the value of a. Find the value of a. Options: minus 8 plus root 3, minus 8 minus root 3, minus 8 plus root 15, and none of this. None of this. This question is taken from previous year SSC questions. I have seen a lot of students. Using, I don't know what all methods, original SSC question. Find the value. If the ANC students solve this question, maximum 10 seconds it should take to solve the question. Maximum 10 seconds. Just by looking at a question, I tick marked the answer as none of this. Why it is none of this? See the approach. Answer maximum it will take 10 seconds to solve the question. Approach. Listen carefully to the approach. Now see here. First option is minus 8 plus. First option is minus 8 plus root 3. Root 3 is 1.7. So it is nothing but minus 6.3 approximately. Next is minus 8 minus root 3, which is nothing but minus 8 minus 1.7 minus 9.7. Third is minus 8 plus root 15. Root 15, it is 30. If you see 39 whole square, it is 1521. So 3.9 whole square, it is nothing but 15.21. So square root of 15 is closer to 3.9. Minus 8 plus 3.9, which is nothing but minus 4.1. Minus 4.1. D is none of this. Now if I take, idea in the question is, he is asking a value. If I take 1 by a, 1 by minus 6.3, it is nothing but negative minus 1 by 6.3. So 1 by a is negligibly small. 1 by a is 1 by 6.3. It is coming to point something, negligibly small. I will start with easy question, slowly I will get into the difficulty. Negligibly small. You can eliminate this. A square is always positive. Minus 2a. A is nothing but negative. Negative into negative is positive. So a square will be positive. Next it is positive. I hope it is clear, right sir? Next it is positive. Now if you see here, a square, what is a square? A square, if I take first option 6 square, it is 36. 36 point something plus something. How can it be 12? Next is minus 9.7. How can it be? Right? Because minus 8 minus root 3 is minus 9.7. 9.7 whole square is 9 square is 81. 81 plus positive. How can it be 12? This is also 4.1. 16 square. Right? 16 plus positive. What is the answer for the question? Answer for this question is none of this. Answer for this question is none of this. Answer for this question is none of this. Very easy question. Slowly I am increasing the level of difficulty. Listen very carefully, sir. Again I am explaining. By looking at a question, you should get the answer. All you have to do to get the answer in 10 seconds is, right, just check approximate values. Again I am explaining. Step number 1. Step number 1. A square is positive. A is 1 by A is very small. A is nothing but all the three options. These are the original options. All A values I am getting a negative. 2 into negative, outside negative, negative into negative, positive. So answer will be a square plus positive. Answer is a square plus positive. Answer will be greater than a square. First option is 6.3 square greater than 36. Second option is 9.c whole square greater than 81. Third option is 16 plus something. Answer is greater than 16. First is getting greater than 12. Second is greater than 12. Third is greater than 12. But the right hand side is 12. So answer for this question is 10 seconds. What is the learning from this question? Understand the root cause of the problem. Please write down, sir. Understand the root cause of the problem. Once you understand the root cause of the problem, then it becomes very easy for you to solve. Understand the root cause of the problem. Understand the root cause of the problem. 1 by a is negligibility, right? I am neglecting this 1 by a, negligibly, very small, very small value. It is an extremely small value when compared to a. I hope it is clear. If you understand question number 2, right? Question number 2, I hope it is clear, right? SSC is not an conventional way. In case, Naveen Kumar, in case if you want to write conventional way, you should go out and write 10th class exam and everything. Idea is to maximize the score. The entire theme of today's class is solving the toughest problem in less time by using conceptual clarity. In case if you want the traditional method, put a minus 1 by a as x. Put a minus 1 by a x and please kill your time. Please do not do something. Method 2, place a minus 1 by a x and try to solve. Why do you want to solve it? What is the purpose of solving it? Why we are doing the traditional method? Please tell me the approach. Is it for understanding? Is it for understanding? Please do it, right? But all the examinations are time-based examination. If time is not there, everybody can solve. Within time, how many questions we can solve? I hope it is clear, right? Do not substitute. Substitution, right? Substitution, if it is giving you the answer, please go ahead. Understand which exam you are writing and try to understand the game plan. There is a beautiful saying, sir. There is a beautiful saying, right? Try to understand the rules of the game. Try to understand the rules of the game. Any game that you are writing, please understand the rules of the game. Then practice. Then try to beat the best. Try to beat the best player. Try to beat the best player. I hope it is clear. Question number 3. Listen carefully to every question, sir. ABC are natural numbers. ABC are natural numbers such that S minus A is to S minus B is to S minus C. It is nothing but 1 is to 7 is to 4. Find A is to B is to C. Find A is to B is to C. Options are 2S is given by A plus C plus B. A plus B plus C by 2. Options are 8 is to 10 is to 6. Just learn from every question how I am going to solve it. Right? If I were to write this exam, learn from the 14 years of experience and 350 plus batches. 11 is to 5 is to 8. A, B, C are natural numbers such that S minus A is to S minus B is to S minus C is 1 is to 7 is to 4. A is to B is to C is how much? 2S is A plus B plus C plus A plus B plus C by 2. A is to B is to C. Look at Anil Nair's way of solving. I don't need to solve the equation. What most of the students, they will do it. S minus A, K, S minus B. What you will do is S minus A is K, S minus B is 7K, S minus C is 4K. You will add all of this and you are doing it. In case if you are thinking it like this, please avoid it. This is an original CAT question. You are here to learn the concepts from Anil Nair. Now, if this question is there, how I looked at this question is, first I will read the question. A, B, C are natural numbers such that S minus A, S minus B, S minus C ratio is 1:7:4. Find A is to B is to C. First observation. This is maximum. S minus B is 7. S minus A is 1. S minus C is 4. If you just listen, probably 20-30 seconds you can solve it without adding. Please see here. What is the maximum value? You can take K here. That also not required. That is a constant. S minus B 7K. SC is a constant. This is the definition. This is maximum. If it is maximum, B is preceded by a negative sign. B will be minimum. That means B value should be minimum in the answer. B value should be minimum in the ratio. B is maximum. B is not the minimum. So there are two options. This one and this one. Okay. Next. S minus A is K. K means it is 1. It is a minimum. If this is minimum, A should be maximum. A should be maximum. A should be maximum. B should be minimum. What is the answer? 11:5:8. How much time it takes just to look at a question and answer it? Please tell me, sir. Why you need to take S minus A as K, S minus B as 7K, S minus C as 4K, add all the values, substitute 2S equivalent to A plus 2S equivalent to A plus B plus C. Sorry, sir. 2S is nothing but A plus B plus C. 2S is nothing but A plus B plus C. I hope it is clear, right? Just by looking at a question, you can get the answer. Just by looking at a question, you will get the answer. Again, second time I am explaining, listen carefully. Every question, your complete attention should be there on the concept, sir. Because only if you understand it, right, you will be able to think like me in the further classes. S minus A is K. S minus B is 7K. S minus C is 4K. In the ratio given S minus A is to S minus B is to S minus C. What is the maximum value? 7. S minus B is 7. That means 7 will be maximum. If 7 is maximum, S1 definition is given. B is preceded by a minus sign. So B should be minimum. B should be minimum. In the answer ratio, B should be minimum. 8:10:6, it is out. 7:8:9, it is out. Just looking at a question, no mathematics is involved, just my observation, A and C is out. Next, S minus A is 1. 1 is lowest. A is preceded by a minus sign. If 1 is minimum, A should be maximum. In the ratio, A should be maximum. 11:5:8. Absolutely scintillating concepts I am going to discuss. Do not miss any single problem. These concepts or these approaches you will not find in the regular textbook. This comes out from the 14 years experience and sending 100 percentilers almost 8 times in the last 10 years. I hope it is clear, right, sir? Idea clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? Right? What is the root cause of the problem? Root cause of the problem is read the question, observation. Only through observational skills I solved this question. There is no mathematics involved. I hope you enjoyed solving this. There is a grid. Many students did not solve this question thinking that it is a difficult question. There is a 3x3 grid. There is a 3x3 grid. I have to use all the natural numbers from 1 to 9. Right? Distinct digits. No digits should be repeated. distinct digits. No digits should be repeated. Left to right should be equivalent to top to bottom, should be equivalent to right diagonal sum. Left to right, top to bottom and diagonal, all the sums should be equal. All the sums should be equal. All the sums should be equal. What he has given in the question is, if this is 6 and it is 2, find all the other values. 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 A simple logical mathematical reasoning puzzle, right? Total 5 questions are there. He has denoted the variables as A, B, C, D and E, right? He has taken what is A plus B. We will erase these question marks. We will replace it with variables. Tough. Many students, these students who are preparing for CAT, they thought that it is a very difficult question, and for the SBI PO and other students, this kind of puzzle based questions will also come, right? A, B, C, D, F, G, right? This question actually takes 3 to 4 minutes to solve. 3 to 4 minutes to solve, right? 3 to 4 minutes to solve. But look at the way Anil Nair is solving the question. Maximum 20-30 seconds. Anil Nair's way to solve the question. Anil Nair's way to solve the question. First thing, there is a 3 into 3 grid. Every box I need to keep a digit. Every box I need to keep a digit. Now see here. Logical way to solve. Steps. I will use the digits 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 9. This is given. What is the average? Average is nothing but first term plus last term by 2. First term plus last term by 2. So this is nothing but 1 plus 9 by 2. It is nothing but 5. So if 9 are there, if 9 are there, right? This is the first step. Second step, there will be 4 terms to the left. There will be 4 terms to the left and there will be 4 terms to the right. 4 terms to the right. Middle value is the average. We all know that. We have solved so many problems. Average in an AP is nothing but the middle value. Average is nothing but the middle value. So middle value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Middle value is 5. Over. I will draw it again. 20-30 seconds. This question can be solved. 20-30 seconds is enough if you know the fundamentals. This is 5 because average is always the middle value. Katam, answer. All the values you got. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. Right? 6 plus 5, 11. It is 4. It is given that the diagonal sum should be 15. So 4 plus 2, 6. This will be 1, 9. 9 plus 5, 15. Right? So what is the next one? 6 plus 2, 8. It is 7, 3. How much time it took to solve the question? You tell me, sir. You tell me. I am using basic definition of averages to solve the most difficult grid based reasoning questions. In how much time it takes? Maximum 30 seconds, and this is how you should prepare for the exam. Maximum 30 seconds it takes to solve the question if you understand the approach. Each and every question, beautiful concept I am going to solve. Again, step by step I am going to discuss. There is a 3 into 3 grid is given. There is a 3 into 3 grid is given. Leftmost square grid value is 6. First row rightmost is 2. 6 and 2. There are 9 digits which I need to use. 1, 2, 3 till 9. 1, 2, 3 till 9. Right? Left to right. That means this sum, or this sum, or this sum. Left to right, right to left, top to bottom, right? Everything should be same. Again I am repeating. 1, 2, 3 till 9. 9 digits, 9 distinct digits I need to use. 9 distinct digits. There is a 3 by 3 grid. Fifth box is the middle value. What is the basic definition I used? Average is nothing but first term plus last term by 2. So 1 plus 9 by 2, 10 by 2 it is 5. If it is in 9 are there, 4 to the left, 4 to the right, middle value is 5, middle value is 5. Left to right, top to bottom, diagonal sum should be 15. So automatically, again I am repeating for you, every question listen carefully. At the end of the class you will understand whether you are preparing right, what is the difference between right preparation and casual preparation. This is nothing but 6. I will use a different. This is given in the question. It is 6. This is 6 and it is 2. Middle value is 5. Sum should be 15. 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 8 15. 6 plus 5 11. 11 plus 4 15. Right? Two values if you get 9 plus 5 14. 14 plus 1 15. 7 plus 5 12. Diagonal sum is given as 15. Diagonal sum is given as 15. I hope you understood the approach. I hope it is clear, right? Right? This is an cat replica question. Toughest question, solved it in 30 seconds. Right? It is given that the diagonal sum is 15. First, when I am explaining a question, I did not give that value. Diagonal sum is given as 15 in the question. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. Idea is clear. Next question. Question number 4. Question number 4. I hope it is clear. Right? No 3 to 4 minutes. Right? Incompetent teachers, useless way of solving will result in time waster, will result in you not clearing the cutoffs, will result in your wasting your 6 to 8 months of your preparation, will result in you being called as repeater. Unfortunate thing is you have wasted 1 year and prepared with useless methods, thereby you got rejected in the exam. I hope it is clear. Ankita, why 5 should be there in the middle, right? Average is the middle value, right? Middle value is nothing but 5th box. Middle value is nothing but the 5th box, right? 8 should be there in the left beta because add it, right? What is 2 plus 5? 7. Basant, 7 plus something is 15. That something should be 8, right? Finish. Question number 5. Average is the middle value. Middle value is nothing but the 5th box. Basics. Question number 5. Original staff selection commission question. You will think that the question paper is difficult. Question paper is not difficult. Your methodology, your way of solving makes it very difficult. You are not being trained properly or you do not know all these concepts. ABC. ABC is a right angled triangle. 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 AB is nothing but 10. BC is nothing but 24. Right? Find in radius. In radius. In radius are equivalent to how much? Find in radius. Exact options. I am not writing the options. You can go and download previous year SSC questions. These are the exact options. 9486. In radius is 9486. Again, if I am solving the question, right? If I am solving this question through sheer observation, right? I will get the answer in 10 seconds. Answer is nothing but 4. Answer is nothing but 4. You don't need to do anything. Answer is nothing but 4. But still I will teach you the concepts. Answer is nothing but 4. Why it is 4? Step number 1. First see here. Step number 1. AB is 10. Again listen carefully. AB is 10 and it is 24. And it is 24. How much it will be? Already I have discussed. You can watch our YouTube channel to know how to find out the Pythagorean triplets. Pythagorean triplets is nothing but in radius is semi-perimeter minus hypotenuse. In radius is semi-perimeter minus hypotenuse. In radius is semi-perimeter minus hypotenuse. So by using these two concepts, this is concept 1 and it is concept 2, you can solve concept 1 and it is concept 2, you can solve. First is 10, then is 24. This will become 2 5s are 10, next it is 2 12s are 24, next it is 2 13s are 26. So here it is 26, Pythagorean we got it as 26. So in radius is semi-perimeter minus hypotenuse. 10 plus 24 minus 26 by 2, it is 4. Why it is 10 plus 24? Semi-perimeter is a plus b plus c by 2 minus c, which is a plus b minus c by 2. A plus b minus c by 2. Right? One is a Pythagorean triplets, which is nothing but a derived triplet of 5, 12, 13. 5, 12, 13 derived is 2 into 5, 2 into 12, 2 into 13. 10, 24, 26. So it is 26. This is traditional method. Another method, just by observation taken from the NCERT textbook. This is R, this is R. Total it will also become R. Now if you observe, can I say AB is greater than 2R? 2R should be less than AB. 2R should be less than AB. R should be less than 5. R should be less than 5. Only one option 4. If there is more than one option 4, you have to use this concept. In radius is semi-perimeter minus hypotenuse. Just by observation, circle is inscribed. Circle is inscribed. Because the circle is inscribed, what I will get the answer, right? AB, height should always be greater than 2R. Height should always be greater than 2R. Ankit, this is based upon Pythagorean triplets. 10 is 2 into 5. Pythagorean triplet is beta, it is 5, 12, 13. 5, 12, 13. Watch Ajay sir's YouTube video how to find Pythagorean triplets. 2 into 5, 2 into 12. Next is 2 into 13. So 5, 12. Next triplet is 13. 5 is doubled, 12 is doubled, 13 also will be doubled. Right? Ensure that you go through all the basics from NCERT, CBSE and ICSE, right? Standard concepts. Please write down next question. Question number 5. I hope it is clear. If a circle is inscribed, we will write a point. I hope it is clear, right? Now we will write a point. Idea is 4. Root cause is, right? Height should always be greater than 2R. Height should always be greater than 2R. Height should always be greater than 2R. Stupid answer options are given. Now if you see, this is a right angled triangle. This is a right angled triangle and a circle is inscribed. Next one, if you observe carefully, there is another triangle, there is another one, right? Now this circle is called as the incircle. This circle is called as the incircle. Incircle touches the sides of a triangle. Incircle touches the sides of a triangle. Incircle touches the sides of a triangle. This is a circumcircle. The circumcircle. In hurry you will do the mistake. Write everything. Circumcircle touches the vertices of a triangle. There is a difference between incircle and circumcircle. Incircle touches the sides of a triangle. Circumcircle touches the vertices of a triangle. Understand the difference. I think Sri Vadana, right? You are listening to the class for the first time. We have already discussed from April 16th YouTube live classes are happening. Now it is 5, 12, 13 is a Pythagorean triplet. 5, 12, 13 is a Pythagorean triplet. Why it is a Pythagorean triplet? Right? Why it is, my old students knows it. For new students I am discussing. If the lowest side is an odd number, say 5, square it and divide by 2. 25 by 2 is 12.5. Subtract 0.5, add 0.5. You will get a Pythagorean triplet. 5, 12, 13. If it is 7 square divided by 2, 49 by 2, 24.5. Subtract 0.5 and add 0.5. 7, 24, 25. If it is 9 square by 2, 81 by 2, 40.5. Subtract 0.5 and add 0.5. Add 0.5. I hope the idea is clear. So once you get 5, 12, 13, you multiply with any k, you will get all derived triplets. Everything else is a derived triplet of 5, 12, 13. Basic triplet means ABC should be co-prime. If k is 2, you got the triplet 10, 24, 26. If k is 3, you got the triplet 15, 36, 39. I hope it is clear, right? I hope each and every question, please listen carefully. Beautiful concepts we are going to discuss through each and every problem. Again and again I am repeating, what is the idea? Height is always greater than 2r. Height is always greater than 2 into r. This is the root cause of the problem. Identify the root cause of the problem. Identify the root cause of the problem. Identify the root cause of the problem. Once you identify the root cause of the problem, everything else will follow. I hope it is clear. Sri Vadana, I hope it is clear. Each and every question, listen carefully. Question number 6. Question number 6. Question number 6. Question number 6. Idea clear, right? Shall I go to the next question? Is it clear? Kindly reply it in the live chat if it is clear to you. Is it clear, beta? Kindly acknowledge if it is clear. We have to do a lot of problems. Is it clear? Is it clear? Right? Already we discussed Prasad. That is the reason you should not miss any classes, Prasad. Because of you, I need to discuss a concept. My students have already gone through 6 to 8 hours of classes. Right? The classes have already started from April 16th onwards. Please subscribe to ANC channel. If it is even, right? If it is 4, these all my old students can solve it very fast. 16 by 4 is 4. Subtract 1 and add 1. 3, 4, 5. This is a very easy question. Side is 6. Side is 6. 36 by 4, which is 9. Subtract 1, add 1. 6, 8, 10. Side is 8. 8 squares by 4, 64 by 4, 16. Subtract 1 and add 1. I hope it is clear, right? My old students, you need to excuse me because new students have asked, right? My enrolled students are far ahead in terms of the preparation because they have already gone through 120 hours of YouTube live classes, right? I hope it is clear, right? Question is, population of a city is 50,000. Population of a city, it is 50,000. Percentage increased by 5%, 10% and 20%. I have seen it in some websites how they are solving, sir, right? You can get millions of questions in Google, but you will not get these shortcuts. That is why you should attend all our me and Ajay's YouTube channel, sir, right? Questions everywhere you will get. What is the purpose of solving by using traditional method, sir? If you are solving by using traditional method and getting answer and you think that you are preparing very well for your competitive exams, I wish you good luck. When the results come, you will realize that, right? What happened? I solved 100 marks and everything. Your methodology of preparation itself is wrong. This is an original bank question. Bank question. Population of city is 50,000. Percentage increased by 5%, 10%, 20%. Population of after 3 years. After 3 years. Again, Anil Nayar's way of solving. Anil Nayar's way of solving. Maximum less than 30 seconds. Less than 30 seconds you will get the answer. If you understand the question, final value is, initial value is 50,000. It is increased by 5%, 1.05. Increased by 10%, 1.1. Increased by 20%, 1.5. What is the digital sum of 50,000? 50,000 digital sum is 5. 1 plus 5, 6. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 5 6 are 30, 32s are 60, 63s are 180. 63s are 180. 180 digital sum is 9. 180 digital sum is 9. Answer digital sum should be 9. So it is eliminated. It is eliminated. Next one. See here. This is nothing but. I hope it is clear, right, sir? 1.10. It is nothing but 110 by 100. That means 1.20. It is nothing but 120 by 100. 110 is divisible by 11. 110 is divisible by 11. 120 is divisible by 4. Idea in this question, only ideas learn from me, sir, and execute it. Please do not think, go by the answers, right? Answer approach will not work. KMUA methodology. Many of the students will fail in competitive exams because whatever that is taught in the classes, they will try to memorize all the variety of concepts. Variety of questions they will memorize. When they see a new question, they will not think, right? They will not think. Entire Anil Nayar classes approach does not focus on memorizing. I am not interested in memorizing. I am not interested in memorizing. I am interested in knowledge. Knowledge, understanding and application. Knowledge, understanding and application. Answer should be, more than solving this question, answer should be divisible by 11. Answer should be divisible by 11, divisible by 4, and it should be have a digital sum 9. When I am saying this, I will use it in tough questions. Answer should be divisible by 11, it should be divisible by 4 and digital sum 9. It is not divisible by 4. So answer should be divisible by 9. 0 plus 3, 3, 3 plus 9, 9 minus 9, 0. So answer for this question is 69300. 69300. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear, right? Please do not try to solve the answer first and make the easy mistake, get an incorrect answer and lose your marks, right? And lose your marks, right? I hope it is clear. I hope the idea is clear. Please listen carefully to every question. Not only this question, next few questions also I am going to use this concept, right? Again and again I am explaining. 50,000, 1.05, 1.1, 1.2, right? Digital sum in the answer should be 9. Digital sum in the answer should be 9. 79300 is incorrect. Next one. 1.05 is divisible by 7. You can also check with the answer option whether it is divisible by 7 also. If more than one answer option you are struck. Right? 110 is divisible by 11. Answer should be divisible by 11. Answer should be divisible by 4. Answer should be divisible by 7 in case if more options are there. In case if any student is memorizing ANC YouTube videos are not there for you. I hope the idea is clear. With this idea, I will solve 2 more questions. I hope the idea is clear, right sir? I am only interested in teaching this concept to you more than the answer. Answer is the effect. Answer is the effect. Question, concept is the cause. If you are not good in concept, how many times you will think that you got the answer, but at the end you will fumble. Right? As the question difficulty increases, you will think that the paper is difficult. Paper is not difficult. Your coaching center has made it difficult by not teaching you all these methods. Question number 7. Sir, where all I can use these concept? Where all you can use the concept? Selling price is 3060. Another original stock selection commission, and also the similar question came in bank. Right? With 3 discounts, the similar question came in CAT. Right? The question concept remains the same. Selling price is 3060. First discount percentage is 20%. Second discount percentage is, original question I am writing sir. Second discount percentage is 15%. Find the market price. SP stands for selling price. MP stands for market price. Options. Once I give the options, you will solve. You can check these. The original question 4,400, 4,500, 5,000 and 4,000. 5,000 and 4,000. If I solve this question, easiest question, Anil Nayar's way, less than 10 seconds it takes to solve the question. Answer for this question is 4500. Because my students have understood digital sum very clear. So it is 3060. It is the final value. Initial value is market price. It is 20% discount is 0.8. It is 15% discount is 0.85. What is 3060? 3060 digital sum is 9. This is not 9. Market price digital sum should be 9. 9 into any number digital sum is 9. Exact answer options I kept. I did not even change it. So what is the underlying concept in this question? Right? Beautifully 1 hour video is there. Right? 9 into any number. Answer digital sum will be 9. Please write down sir. 9 into any number. Answer digital sum is 9. 9 into any number. Answer digital sum is 9. Arpit, if you type digital sum by Anil Nayar, you will get close to 1 hour video. Already in simplification I used a digital sum. Right? You can use the digital sum in geometry. You can use the digital sum in arithmetic. You can use the digital sum is number system. My old students knows it. My old students have solved so many problems. When to use a digital sum, when not to use a digital sum. What happens if the denominator is a prime number other than 2 and 5? What happens if the denominator it is a recurring decimal? Advantages, disadvantages depending upon merit. My old students can solve it because they have been watching my videos for lot of time. In case if you are a new student, you have a long way to go. Old students are ahead of you. I hope it is clear. Idea is clear, right sir? Next question. Type digital sum in by Anil Nayar. You will come to know a beautiful application. Digital sum by Anil Nayar. You should know all these concepts. In case if you do not know any of these concepts, you will be in a big problem. Right? Maybe second time or a third time, maybe your mock scores are low. Maybe you are not able to do very well. You each and every question you are taking more than 3 minutes to solve. Any of this, if it is happening, your preparation is going wrong. Please watch Anil Nair classes. All YouTube videos are live classes to understand the different thematic based learning we will do. Right? I hope it is clear. You can, sir, previous question, can I use the logic? You can use. Please check it out beta. 0.8 is divisible by 4. Answer should be divisible by 4. 0.85 is divisible by 17. Answer should be divisible by 17. 3060, right, is divisible by 17. Right, 17 ones are 17. Right, 136 18s are. I hope it is clear. 4500. 10 seconds it takes to solve the question. If you know the concept, you know the approach, it becomes easy. Next, question number 7. Question number 8. Please write down, sir. Question number 8. Question number 8. One of the CAT student has asked me this question. Sir, this question came in one of the mocks. Right, there is a 10-step solution. I watch a lot of Anil Nair classes videos, sir. Please tell me the approach without using formulae. Please write down, sir. 10 straight lines. 10 straight lines. Many of the SSC bank and CAT students, right, in case if you are a bank and an SSC student, if you are listening to the class for the first time, there are other students from multiple states who are waking up at morning 6:15, attending the class. Already DI 6 classes are over. They are learning every time. When you are solving traditional methods, they are learning all shortcuts. No 2 of which are parallel and no 3 of which passes through. Which passes through. Toughest CAT question made easy. Passes through any common point. Passes through any common point. Any common point. There is a way to prepare. Please prepare. Are drawn on a plane. Are drawn on a plane. Number of regions. Number of regions, finite or infinite. Number of regions, finite or infinite. Tough question. Right? In fact, the student who is preparing for CAT, he has asked this question because it is lifted from IIFT. Right? 10 straight lines, no 2 of which are parallel and no 3 of which passes through any common point. Right? Drawn on a plane. Drawn on a plane. Right, number of regions. Next, solution. Solution. Anil Nair's way of solving. No formulas. I don't like formulas. If you like formulas, please like writing the exam 5 times 3. Right? I hope it is clear. Now, one straight line. If I take one straight line, how many regions I got? Just common sense approach. One straight line. One straight line I got 2 regions. One straight line I got 2 regions. 2 straight lines if I take. 2 straight lines if I take. None of them should be parallel. So 2 straight lines if I take. 2 straight lines if I take. I got total 4 regions. I got total 4 regions. Suppose I need to take 3. None of them should be parallel, right? So how many regions I got? 1, 2, 3, 4. Finite or infinite? 6, 7. 6, 7. So 3 straight lines. 3 straight lines, how many regions I got? 7 regions. Just through simple observation I am getting the answer. 1 straight line 2 regions, 2 straight line 4 regions, 3 straight line 7 regions. See here, 1 is 2, next it is 4, next it is 7. It is increased by 2, it is increased by 3, it is increased by 4, so it is 11. Which how many straight lines we require? 10 straight lines. So it is plus 5, it is plus 6, it is plus 7, it is plus 8, plus 9 plus 10 plus 11. Finish answer. 11 plus 5, 16. It is 22, 29, 37, 46. Right? 56. 10 straight lines, right? So these for the 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10th straight line. What is the answer for the question? 56. No usage of any formulae. Just simple reading the question. Simple reading the question, you got the answer. Simple reading the question, you got the answer. Right? Simple reading the question, you got the answer. So this is for the one straight line. Simple reading the question, you got the answer. One straight line, second straight line, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one, eighth one, ninth one, 10th one. 10th one. How much time it takes to solve, sir? How much time it takes to solve? Please tell me, sir. Right? Question 8. Very, very simple. Absolutely very easy way. If you understand the question. If you understand it, everything is easy. The problem is we do not read the question. Right? We are somewhere carried away by our school 100 out of 100 or plus 2 marks, and we think that we are good in maths. You are good in maths for that school studies. In competitive examination, right? The way you look at a question should change. The way you solve should change, because it is an statewide examination and the kind of questions that are asked are very easy, right? But they are little tricky. They are little tricky. If you do not understand the basic root cause of the problem, you will be in a big trouble. You will be in a big trouble. Write down next question. Question number 9. I was looking at the old SSC bank papers. I found the questions are so stupid that each and every question 20 to 30 seconds it takes, and the students are saying in the forums that they are all very difficult. It is a difficult paper. Actually, it is a very easy paper. Point 369, 369, 369. M is nothing but 0.531, 531, 531, and so on. And C1. Right? I hope it is clear. Right? 369, 369, 369, 531, 531, 531. Right? 1 by n plus 1 by m. 1 by n plus 1 by m. Options: original question 11100 divided by 2419. This is nothing but 111 divided by 100. This is nothing but 1897 divided by 3162. I am just writing as it is from the SSC previous year paper. It is nothing but 11100. This is the question, right? Many students said it is a very difficult question. Very difficult question. But actually, right, according to me, this question will not take more than 10 seconds. More than 10 seconds, right? I hope it is clear. All these are eliminated, because 1 by n is nothing but 1 by 0.531 bar. It is closer to 1.5. It is closer to 2. 0.531 is just greater than 0.5. Answer is just greater than 2. Answer is just greater than 2. First option. First option. It is an original SSC question. Answer is just greater than 2. Answer is just greater than 2. Answer is just greater than 2. 0.369, 369. So they think that it is a recurring decimal. You have to use a recurring decimal concept. By using approximation, easily you can solve the question. Very easily you can solve the question if you know how to use a recurring right? Recurring decimal 0.531 bar, 0.531, 0.531 is just closer to 0.5, 0.5 is 1 by 2, 1 by 1 by 2 is 2. So 2 plus something, answer should be greater than 2, right? It is 1 point something, it is numerator is less than denominator, numerator is less than denominator. I hope it is clear. I hope, right? I hope it is clear, right? Idea clear? Is it clear? Are you all with me? Are you all with me? I hope the idea is clear. Scintillating concepts. First time itself you need to clear the exam. First time itself you need to sit in IIMs. First time itself you should crack it. This is not, right, a repetition of, if you are keep on writing the competitive exam one time, twice, that only indicates that in the first time you did not get proper preparation, or you are not self-motivated, or you do not have the burning desire to make it big in life, or you have taken it as a one of the priorities, not the highest priority in your life. Highest priority in your life. I hope it is clear, right, sir? Idea clear? Idea clear? Shall we go to the next question? Shall we go to the next question? Are you all with me? Kindly reply in case if you want me to go to the next question. Every class we are discussing so many concepts. So many concepts we are discussing. By listening to every concept, question by question by question you can solve it. Recurring decimals, please do not conclude it very fast. Recurring decimals, please make a note. Digital sum is not applied for the digital sum is not applied for the recurring decimal. Be very careful. Be very careful. Can we discuss the next question? Write down the next question. Write down the next question. Write question number 9, question number 10. Question number 10. Question number 10. Question number 10. Right? Please write down this question. Write down again. I think we discussed an SSC question. Let us discuss another SSC question. Please write down, sir. Another SSC question. And a CAT question. P equivalent to 1 factorial plus 2 into 2 factorial plus 3 into 3 factorial and so on up to 10 into 10 factorial. Question is, reminder when P plus 2 is divided by 11 factorial. P plus 2 is divided by the 11 factorial. This question I have seen many students solving like this. P is nothing but summation n into n factorial, n equivalent to 1 to 10. This is a mathematical method, right? I am not here to teach you mathematics. I am here to maximize your score. This is a mathematical method. Please avoid this method. Method 2. Method 2. Simple observation. Unit digit logic. 3 methods I will discuss. Unit digit logic. P is nothing but 1 factorial plus 2 into 2 factorial plus 3 into 3 factorial plus 4 into 4 factorial, 5 into 5. From here onwards, 5 factorial is 120, unit digit will be 0. 5 factorial is 120, unit digit will be 0. Unit digit will be 0. So all these cancels out. It is nothing but 1. 2 2s are 4. 3 6 3s are 18. 24 4s are 96. Which is nothing but 100, 119. Question is P plus 2, which is nothing but 121. 121 unit digit is 1. 121 unit digit is 1. 11 factorial. 11 factorial unit digit is 0. So this divided by this, answer is 1. I hope it is clear. Very simple. You don't need any mathematics here. You don't need any mathematics. You don't need any mathematics to solve this question. More than solving the question, learn the concept which I am using, sir. Learn the concept which I am using it. See here, write method 2. Very rarely you will find this method in the regular textbooks. Write 1 factorial. I played with the unit digit. 1 factorial unit digit is 1. 2 into 2 factorial. 2 into 2 is 4. 3 into 3 factorial. 6 into 3 is 18. 4 into 4 factorial. 24 4s are 96. 5 into 5 factorial. Till 10 into 10 factorial. Unit digit will be 0. Unit digit will be 0. So 0 plus 1, 1. Right? 20. If you take right unit digit 1 divided by unit digit 0, the possibility is, right, the possibility is 1. The possibility is 1. I hope it is clear. Possibility is 1. Method 2. Method 2, which takes very less time. Remainder 1. Numerator is divided by denominator. In this case, numerator unit digit is 1. Denominator unit digit is 0. So, based upon the answer option, there will be a case where write unit digit 1 divided by unit digit 0. Answer will be 1. Sir, why it should be 1? Suppose 31 divided by 20, right? I am getting a different answer. In case if you are thinking like that, I will discuss method 3 also. I said one of the possibility unit digit is 1. Method 3. Method 3, simplify the problem. ANC enrolled students, nothing to fear. Write tsunami of concepts, you will get it. Write extraordinary solid content, you will get it. Simplify the question. If you simplify the question, this is till 10 factorial, remainder is 11 factorial. So question, I am simplifying it to a smaller value. P is 1 factorial plus 2 into 2 factorial. Remainder P plus 2 divided by 3 factorial. It is nothing but 1 plus 4 plus 2 divided by 6, 7 divided by 6. Answer is 1. Why we are getting answer 1? This numerator is nothing but denominator plus 1 you will get. That is the reason I am saying answer as 1. That is the reason I am saying answer as 1. Instead of doing this mathematical method, which anyway Anil Nair classes enrolled student hate this method, right? I am playing with the unit digit logic and I am playing. Why I said answer 1? Unit digit 1 and the previous number unit digit is 0. These are consecutive numbers, consecutive natural numbers. Highest divided by lowest, answer will also always be 1. Just by using unit digit you will get the answer. Just by using unit digit you will get the answer. Or I took question is till 10 factorial, answer denominator is till 11 factorial. So question is till 2 factorial, answer will be till 3 factorial. This is method number 3. Idea is simplify the question. Method number 2, unit digit logic. Method number 1, mathematical method. Question number 11. A coin is tossed 8 times. Probability question. A coin is tossed 8 times. A coin is tossed 8 times. A coin is tossed 8 times. How many ways exist? How many ways exist? How many ways exist such that no 2 consecutive heads appear? Such that no 2 consecutive heads appear. Such that no 2 consecutive heads appear. A coin is tossed 8 times. How many ways exist such that no 2 consecutive heads appear? One traditional method is counting, right? One traditional method is counting. Method 2 is counting through observation. If you count it through observation, you will get the pattern. If you count it through observation, you will find a beautiful pattern hidden in this question. Counting through observation. If you count it, naturally if you keep counting, you will get the answer. But when you are counting, keep your eyes and ears very, very clear and observe, right, the pattern which I am saying it, right? Maths can be learnt from ears also. Just by listening also you can understand. If I toss it once, if I toss once, how many ways I will get? Head or tail. If I toss it twice, if I toss it twice, how many ways I will get? Head, 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 tail, tail, head, tail, tail. Over answer. Over answer over. Right? Answer over. Answer over. Right? Now see here. Toss once and toss twice. Question is, no two consecutive heads appear. No two consecutive heads appear. So, no two consecutive heads appear. Once is nothing but two ways. Twice is nothing but three ways. Twice is nothing but three ways. HH should not appear. This is the root cause of the problem. So, if I put it thrice, listen carefully, sir. One is counting, HH should not appear. TH can appear, TT can appear. HT can appear, that's all. TT, TH can appear, TT can appear. How many ways are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thrice it is 5. This is a beautiful application. This is a beautiful application of Fibonacci series. This is nothing but a beautiful application of a Fibonacci series. What is Fibonacci series? Fn is nothing but Fn minus 1 plus Fn minus 2. Third is the sum of previous two. Fourth is the sum of previous. So fourth one will be 5 plus 3, 8. Fifth one will be 8 plus 5, 13. Sixth one will be 13 plus 8, 21. Seventh one will be 34. Eighth one will be 55. Eighth one will be 55. You are counting it through observation. You are counting it through observation. Right? You are counting through observation. You are counting through observation. You are counting through observation. Right? Those students who are engineering students who thought that Fibonacci number I will write the C program in my first year, there is no application. This is the beautiful way of solving the question. Once is head and tail, twice is head, 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 tail, tail, head, tail, tail. Head, head cannot appear. Three ways. Right? First is two ways, next is three ways, thrice 5 ways. So it is nothing but the sum of previous two. It is nothing but the sum of previous two. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 8, 21, 21 plus 13, 34. If you go and type Anil Nair in YouTube channel, keep watching my videos. It will help you to solve aptitude problems through a prism never seen before. But unfortunately, only 3% of the content is only present in the YouTube channel. Right? Fibonacci series. A beautiful application of the question. A beautiful application of the question. Right? A student has just messaged me, sir, you have solved this question. Can you please solve this question? He has just now WhatsApped me. Right? This came in one of the mocks. Can you solve this question? Right? Please. It is clear. Once is head and tail. Twice is head, 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 tail, tail, head, tail, tail. Above for you beta. Head, head cannot appear. H, H deleted. First time how many ways you got, Abu? You got 2 ways. You got 2 ways. How many ways you got? 3 ways. Third time, HH cannot appear. After TH can come, after TT can come. Here there are 2 ways. Here there is 1 way. Here there are 2 ways. 2 plus 1 plus 2, 5. Once 2, twice 3, thrice 5. Fourth will be 8, fifth will be 13. Whatever we are teaching is just very 5 to 8%. Any student who buys our enrolled, right? Any student who buys our content, he will get comprehensive content in such a way that every class he listen, he wish that I wish I had known about sir, right? Ahead of time. Please do not delay your success. The more you practice with the traditional methods, the more you are killing your chances. Remember, SBA PO is going to be written by 10 plus lakhs people. CAT close to 2 lakh plus people, and SSC 30 lakh plus people. If you are not knowing the shortcuts, there are a lot of people who are knowing the shortcuts. That is why their scores are ahead of you. It is not, you and him or her are not different from each other. Difference lies in his conceptual clarity. Question number 12. Question number 12. All conceptual clarity questions only will be discussed in our classes. Right? His question is, sir, you discussed selling price is given and discounts are given. In my mock, the same question came, sir. Marked price is 720. Selling price is 550.80. First discount percentage is given as 10%. Second discount percentage is given as X percentage, find X. Sir, this came in my mock. Can you please solve it? Options are 15%, 12%, 18% and 14%. 15, 12, 18 and 14. This is a question taken from the bank. Right? This is the question taken from bank. Right? This is the question taken from bank. So, market price is the initial value, selling price is the final value. Final value is, again, this question, if I am solving 10 to 15 seconds it takes to solve the question. Anything that you take less than 1 minute to solve, your preparation is going wrong way, right? You have to join for ANC video classes for only simple reason, great teachers, great teaching, scintillating shortcuts. Period. It is 720. First is discount is 0.9. I will go by the answer option. If it is 15% discount, it is 0.85. Over answer. Answer is 15%. How much time it takes? 0.85 is nothing but 85 by 100. 85 is divisible by 17. Easy question, sir. 85 is divisible by 17. 85 is divisible by 17. Answer should also be divisible by 17. 550.80. 17 3s are 51, 40. 17 2s are 34, 68. 17 4s are 68. Over. Answer is 15. 10 to 15 seconds to solve the question. Right, Jitendra, my enrolled students have got 12 hours on permutation, combination and probability. In case if you are an enrolled student, you might have got 10 to 12 hours of concepts. 10 to 12 hours you might have got the concept. Right, please remember here 550.80. Prashant, don't do this mistake. This digital sum is 9. 720 is already 9. 9 into any number it will give you 9. I hope you have understood the mistake, Prashant. 720 is already given as 9. 9 into any number will give you 9. You don't require 18. 720 is 9. Again I am explaining. Market price is 720. Selling price is always the final value. 550.80 is obtained because discount is applied on market price. 720 into 10% discount. 10% discount will be 0.9. Right? Second discount I don't know. Ashutosh, I hope it is clear. First discount is 15%. On 115 less it is 0.85. 0.85 is nothing but divisible by 17. If this is also divisible by 17, answer will be right, first option. I checked it out. 550.80. 17 3s are 51, 40. 17 2s are 34, 68. Very, very easy questions. Are in your coaching centers, are they multiplying and solving it? Are they doing it as X value and dividing it? Oh, please listen to them and waste your chances of clearing. You will not get into your dream job. You will not get into your dream B school if you go by that logic. Right? I hope it is clear. anywhere, any place, and on the go. Come, let us go the other way in learning. Download our revolutionary app for free, AMC.